Hey folks, welcome back. Have you ever done a flash sale or want to? You know how much powerful that can be. It's generally a sales strategy that increase your sales in a short term period. But practically, we can say it have some kind of tricky part. We know that, like manually changing the price of your product and it want to switch back to normal stage. Yeah, it's a bit of headache, right? So now this is the time for solution. In Odoo sales module, we can easily create a flash sale. So let's see how we can create using a real-time example. So guys, let's see how we can create a flash sale using the sales module. So you all know nowadays a flash sale is actually very trending and popular in a social media. We know that online shopping websites are using flash sale at the night time, and you all are very curious about how we can do that in Odoo sales module also. So here we are going to do that. So first of all, what we need to do, navigate into the sales module. So here we are, and let's create a scenario that is actually very easy and you guys can easily connect that. So head over to the product session and let's choose an example from the okay. So here you can see the acoustic block screen. Here I'm going to choose this product as an example. So let's create a scenario which actually goes like you guys are running up a business which is actually a furniture shop. Let's skip that. Okay. And you have the product which is called acoustic block screen in there, and it have two variants. The price is $295 and on hand 60 units are there. All right. So you guys I decided to give a 45% off at this flash sale time. All right. So let's give how to do. Let's give that thing in the price list. So we are going to do that. So before creating a price list, we need to, I mean, setting up or enable a configure option in the settings menu. So let's do that. Head over to the configuration section. Here we have the settings. So once you enter, just type for the price list. Okay, here you can see that. So under the pricing section, here you can see the price list option, which is using to set multiple prices per product and automated discounts, etc. So you need to enable this and don't forget to hit save button. And so here Odoo is defaultly enabled, so I don't need to change this. So let's move to the product section and here let's create the price list. So head over to the price list. Here we are, and here you can see the pre-created price list which is existing in our DB, and we are going to create a new one. Click on the new button. So let's give the title first. So here you can see an example which is what? USD retailers. So we are going to give this as the flash sale. So how much we are giving off? We are giving 45% off. So let's give that also. And you can choose the company, country, group, and let's set the price rule. So add a line. Here you will get another wizard. You can apply to what? We are applying to a product, whether you can also apply to a category. So we are applying to in products. So I'm reminding this as this. And here we have the product section. So we need to specify which product. So let's see which has our product. It is acoustic block screen. So let's select acoustic block screen from the drop down menu. And while choosing the product here, we already know that acoustic block screen have two variants then, like a wood and a white. So we are going to select the variant. So if you need to select any of them, any of one from the, you can also choose that. Or if you want to remind this all variants that is applicable for all variants, you can also put that. So here I'm reminding this for all variants, and you need to choose the price type. So we are given a discount. So let's give the price type as discount and let's give the percentage. It's 45. And for what? On sale price, or you can either choose any other price list. And here we have the minimum quantity validity period. So here in minimum quantity, you can choose the quantity, how much, like for one product, or if the customer is choosing 2 or more product, you can choose the minimum quantity here. And here we have the validity period, which is actually you can set up current validity period for this particular flash sale. So here I'm reminds that to session as 0, and let's save and close this. So once you applied your rules, just save. All right, and let's see how this can apply on a particular sale order. All right, so let's say that your customer is already seen that um, sale offer on your website, and they are decided to purchase that particular product from your site. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So create a new sale order. So here I'm going to put the customer as the co-addict, and you can follow the other configured options also. So here at the price list session, here you will need to choose the price list as flash sales. So only you putting a price list, specify your price list, you can only see that the discount is applicable or not. So we are going to add a product. So let's add a product. So what is our product name? Yeah, it is acoustic blocks. So let's choose that. Choosing the variant as wood, and let's confirm. Yeah. So here it is this discount rate has suddenly changed to what? Yeah, 45%. And here you can choose, see the unit price as 295, and it is discounted 45%, and you can see the amount also 162.25. So here you can see including the tax also 186.59 is the price. So after confirm that, let's put confirm, and you can deliver this product to your customer and do everything. And also you can create invoice. Here you can see that. So everything is there. So this is very simple procedure to see or to create a flash sale order in Odoo sales module. So that's it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share with your friends, subscribe, and have a nice day.